do with that camera now. Oh! Yeah, it's nothing with lube. Right, you should be able to, the back end should swing round. Because the back end's got swivels. Has it? Yeah, the back end should be swivels. Oh, right, I thought the swivel. No, the back end is, that's what I said. The front end should have had. Now, so what was the swivels? Yeah. Right. Let's go in. Totally dry under the basket.
Might have to go underneath them.
Yeah, oh, I moved it, so it's.
Was it moved? Yeah.
Yeah, it did move, so it's just a case of getting it to.
I don't want to pull the gearbox back, can't we?
Can do, I suppose. Give it a go. Come back out.
It will, but we'll have to go.
Catching on the catching on what this is catching on it.
What?
And we're catching on this end. Hang on. It's digging itself in.
Yeah, because it could just do with a bit of right.
Yeah.
It needs to come over this way a bit. Just so it'll drop on the mountain then. It needs to go that way, Steve.
Yeah, I know. I was just going to. I was just taking push on it.
Back of it needs to come over as well. Where's the probe?
Yeah, do you want this? I'll use the top of this end.
That's it. You need to lever it back now, Steve. You need to lever it off the floor.
Yep.
And it should. That's it. Oh.
A lot easier. Isn't it?
Yeah. Right, you need to get it off the back. Or can you use the ratchet strap to pull the front of it up a bit?
Yeah, actually.
Just needs to pull. You just need to get that flange off there. It's just about on the mountain. Right, it's just on.
Right, keep going.
Unless it's.
Oh no, you know, remember when we took it out?
What?
We had to twist it at an angle, drop it in, Well,
you'll have to bring it this way then.
Yeah.
You brought it this way, didn't
yeah,
you?
we're going to have to
do that then.
Yeah.
We'll have to do that then.
Yeah. That's how, because we twist it in an angle to get it clear, didn't we?
We'll have to do that then.
Yeah.
Look, the only problem is it's not going to, and this ratchet's in the way now. Ratchet's in the way, so it's not going to twist and it won't, trouble is it won't go. That's going to have to come over here. That's the only way you're going to do it. But now the back's off the mounting now.
Yeah. Well, we can jack it back up once we've got it on there underneath, can't we?
Well, no, because he'll start lifting the bus up. That's why I don't want the mounting going underneath. That's what I'm saying, because if it goes underneath, we'll push it forward. That's it, right now we'll have to pull it forward. So you're going to have to try and jiggle it this way. Well, this ratchet's in the way, which is not helping. Yeah, look, we've bent the handle of the ratchet, look. The ratchet's in the way, that's what's stopping it going down the ratchet. Yeah, the ratchet's in. That ratchet, if that ratchet worked there, it would thing, but I can't do nothing about it without pulling it back out again.
Yeah.
If that ratchet worked there, it'll go it'll go backwards down wherever you want it to go.
Right, hang on then. Let's see if I can. Fucking son of a bitch. Lift it up a bit, see if we can. Yeah, I was just trying to clear this bit. This end. Go on.
Yeah. Oh, hang on. It's shoving the mounting out. Right. That's a hard fucking mountain. The bottom bits fell out the mountain.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Where's that gone? It's stuck like this. Needs to come back. Right. Go. It just needs to go back and down like that. It needs to come and sit on this mountain.
Right.
Or you need to probably going to have to shorten this back strap to do what you want to do, because you've got the front up to clear that, haven't you? The problem is that you're going to put that bracket underneath here, and then when you try and lift it up, you've got nowhere to move it to put the bracket back.
Oh, I'll tell you what, let's just lower it down onto the mountain as it is, and we'll fucking put some ignorance, I reckon.
Right, no, that's gone below the mountain. Piss these cocker. Hard on the straps. Right. It just needs to go back like that, but it needs to come. It needs to stay on this. Because it's cock hard. No, it needs to come up this side, because the mountain's going to go below, and then we're going to be lifting the bus up with it.
Alright, what about if I lower this in then? If I lower this down?
No, you're just going to get stuck, aren't you?
Well, no, what I mean is, so it goes a bit more. It saves trying to shorten that one. We lower this one, does the same thing, doesn't it?
No, because I need the lift. That's the problem. If you lower that one, I'm going to lose the lift.
Yeah, but we've got too much.
That needs just shift. That needs just fucking pry-barring back, end off.
Right, okay.
That just needs a bit of brute force and shoving back, and that's
pass the crowbar over.
That's it. Right, you might have missed the exciting bit. We've just had to jiggery-pokery to put the box back in. Needs to go in on an angle and down. Obviously, we've had a few little issues. We've got it in because you've got to put the back prop shaft into the hole, sit it on the mountings and then drop it down on the mountings. So the new gearbox is now in place. Now we're going to have a T-brake and then we're going to come back and start bolting it back together.
Yeah. What are you doing? I wonder what you.
Right, you come back to us. We've just come back from the pub. No, we're yeah, gearbox is now dropped in place. We're just dropping the bolts in. We're just going to have just having a quick T-brake, and then we're going to bolt her back in place. Just put the mounting bolts back in position, and then it's just a case of bolting her back up. That's it. So she's in place with all the bolts in place. Just do them up and that's it. We'll start bolting the prop shaft and the ancillaries back on, and yeah. Ratchet. No, I fucking don't. Ah, shut me mouth. Ratchet. It dick it out, actually. Probably.
Good, keep going. Still not going to get us. Can't you see the fucking split pinhole?
It's going to be hard to flipping gun it back a fraction.
Oh, fucking no. I think that might be it. Fucking split pinhole. Yeah, that's it. Spot on. Yeah, see? Spot on. See, you knew exactly what you was doing.
I won't go that fastly.
Push. That's what I'm going to say. Oh, come on, split pinhole. Fucking. Bend, you fucker. Right, well I'm ready with this fucking last engine mount when you are.
Right, okay. I'm coming.
Not above me, I hope.
Shut up, you talk.
Here we can see the Blues Brothers tightening engine mount.
Budget and Scarpa. Yeah, go on. Right, a little bit more. Yeah, hold it. Oh, hang on. Oh, fuck me, that's still loose, isn't it? Go on in. Well, put it this way. This is done up so far that we ain't going to get the fucking lock pin in it.
What, it's past the lock?
Yeah. How's that work out then?
Must have squashed the mounting.
Unless the tubes come out.
Tube was in it though, wasn't it? Because when you put the rubber bit on, wasn't the tube in it?
Well, something ain't right. Because that's come up too far. And if you back it off, it's too loose. Unless it's meant to be loose.
Well, no, because it should have the tube in it, so it should only go up so far because the tube.
Well, even now I can look. I can move that tube, ain't it? That
No
tube.
No, I'll take it off then.
Yeah.
Found the tube.
You found the tube.
No.
Oh, I thought you said you found the tube. Oh, tube's in it,
The
isn't it?
tube's in it. Oh. Yeah, the tube's in it.
So what the? So why is that doing up so fucking far? So it don't make sense.
Well, unless because we swapped the rubber around on this side, unless because we've swapped them round and because the bottom is thicker than the top. Although it won't matter though, would it? Because it's on the side, so it won't.
Shouldn't make any difference.
Hello, Rich. It worked loose before, wouldn't it?